welcome to Fran's Friday Hack. And do I have a hack for you? So if you have teenage kids like I do, of course your microwave is full of, let's not even talk about it. Let's not talk about what your microwave is full of. And you know, who wants to sit there and scrub that crap off? So, got a good hack for you today. So we are going to clean your microwave. And it only takes 1, 2, 3 ingredients. So let's get started. You need a clear bowl, a glass bowl preferably. You don't want to do it with plastic, that's a no-no. And you need 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water, so I already have water. I'm trying to do better this year and measure, yeah, not really. so that's 1 cup, and we're gonna put 2 cups. I don't want to spill the water all over the place. 2 cups of water, and vinegar. So you can use household vinegar, cleaning vinegar. Just use some regular white vinegar. I made a mistake and bought cleaning vinegar, but it's the same vinegar. And you need 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Oh, Jesus, did you see that? Oh my gosh. All right, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Pour it slowly. Don't make a mess like me. You know, vinegar has this really strong smell. You don't want people to walk in and be like, oh, who had some vinegar? You want to either put some kind of essence in it, or for me, I have this old lemon that, you know, you was gonna use the lemon for lemonade or fish or something, but I never used it. So guess what? I'm gonna recycle a half-cut lemon, and I am going to squeeze the lemon juice into the bowl so that instead of smelling like vinegar, my house is gonna be like, whoa, gonna smell like a nice smell of lemon. All right, so I am squeezing the lemon. We'll see, Monique will take it from here.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now. Because a lot of times when you see someone do a hack, you think, well, it worked in their house, but would it really work in mine? So we're going to make sure that Fran's hack will work wherever you are. So just as Fran did, I'm squeezing the lemon into the vinegar, adding the 2 cups of water. And I will be putting it in my microwave for 15 minutes. If you have an issue that you want Fran to solve, or if you want to volunteer to try one of Fran's hacks, send us an email at mommyroomredo@gmail.com. So the timer has gone off and we're ready to start cleaning. Be super careful when you take that bowl out because it's going to be hot, hot, hot. So you really just take a cloth and clean the microwave as you normally would. The difference is because that potion was heating up for 15 minutes, it should make it a lot easier to wipe that microwave clean. Just be careful not to touch the stainless steel because you'll still need your regular cleaning product for that area. All right, so we have the microwave clean. It took a little more elbow grease than I was expecting, but I think this hack is a success.
Okay, good peoples, I hope your microwave is nice and shiny and clean like mine. And of course, we only use actually 1 product that you have to buy from the store, which is vinegar and water. And of course, I use an old lemon to make my house smell so fresh. Not only is my house smelling fresh, my microwave is clean. So there you go, Fran's Friday hack. See you next week. I got something pretty amazing and really tasty for you next week. So I can't wait to see you next week. Bye for now.